Welcome to Marseille, the oldest city in France. Today, we begin part 1 of our journey at the beating heart of the city, the Vieux-Port. For over 2,600 years, this harbor has been a gateway to the world, founded by Greek mariners in 600 BC. Look up at l'Ombrière, a stunning mirror canopy by Norman Foster. It reflects the vibrant energy of the daily fish market and the shimmering sea. Walking along the Quai du Port, you can still feel the maritime spirit that has defined Marseille for millennia. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Hôtel de Ville is a rare survivor of the port's history, standing proudly in its 17th century Provençal Baroque glory. Just up the hill, the former Hôtel Dieu Hospital has been transformed into a luxury hotel, bridging the gap between historical care and modern elegance. Don't miss the Hôtel de Cabre, the city's oldest house. It was famously rotated 90 degrees on jacks to survive city renovations. Now, we climb the stairs into Le Panier, the oldest quarter in France. It's a labyrinth of narrow alleys and vibrant stories. The Place de l'Anche sits on the site of the ancient Greek agora, offering a perfect view across the water to Notre-Dame de la Garde. Local lore tells of the Desnerados, nuns who protected their honor with a brave, albeit gruesome sacrifice during an 8th century invasion. Today, Le Panier is the creative soul of the city. Every corner is a canvas, with street art telling the stories of modern Marseille. You can't leave without finding authentic savon de Marseille. These traditional olive oil soaps have been made here since the 17th century. At the heart of the district lies La Vieille Charité, a Baroque masterpiece originally built as an almshouse for the city's poor. Its central ovoid dome chapel is one of the finest examples of Italianate Baroque you'll find in all of France. Saved from ruin in the 50s, it now serves as a major cultural center, housing treasures of Mediterranean archaeology. Guarding the port's entrance is Fort Saint-Jean. Built by Louis XIV, its cannons were once pointed at the city to suppress local revolts. The Tour du Fanal and the ancient square tower of King René dominate the skyline, markers of centuries of fortification. Modernity meets history here, with sleek footbridges connecting the ancient stone fort to the lace-like facade of the Musim. Rising above the waterfront is the Cathédrale de la Major. Its striped facade was designed to be the gateway to the east. As one of the largest cathedrals in the world, its Romanesque Byzantine style is a testament to 19th century ambition. That concludes our first look at historic Marseille. Join us in part 2 as we explore the rugged beauty of the Calanques and the heights of the Basilica. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.